Alright, so today we are here at.
Woohoo!
Today is Parkdale Day, right? So we're celebrating Parkdale. And how long have you guys been here for?
We are going to be 2 years old on the next 420. So it's been a lot of fun. Parkdale Day has been super busy. We've been having great foot traffic. And I'm so proud of the organizers.
Honestly, that's awesome. So that leads up to the next question, which I had. How busy has it been for you guys today?
It's been very good foot traffic for a Saturday. Don't worry, you're good.
You guys good?
Yeah, it's been so fun. It's been like a steady flow, and we have vendors and artists that are all from Parkdale, downstairs and up here.
So
and we
it's
also
2 floors?
2 floors.
Oh, okay.
Usually the shop is 1 floor, but when I have markets, I open up the 2nd floor. And we also have tarot reading today, and we also have soup.
Oh.
Yeah.
So looking around, I'm seeing a lot of cute gifts. So is that what you guys are selling here mostly? Or?
Yes. So it's a cute gift shop, and it's laid out like a little house. So it's like a living room, closet, study, and sexy things in the bedroom.
Definitely can't miss that part. That's pretty much it. Is there anything you guys wanted to say to our viewers? Most of them are from Toronto itself. They live around their neighborhood. Anything you'd like to say to them?
We have lots of workshops. We host markets once or twice a month. We have art shows, concerts. It's like a really cute space, and it's like a creative and like inclusive space.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. We'll be checking around, and thank you so much for having
Thanks
us.
for coming.